Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is about most iconic coastal walk in Sydney, Australia. The Bondi to Bronte coastal walk. Bondi has paid parking areas close to the beach and is very expensive. So to save my money, I started this walk from Bronte. In Bronte there is plenty of free car park. Here in Bronte, you can find a beautiful sandy beach, great swimming and surfing conditions, bits of restaurants and cafes, excellent picnic areas and barbecue. Do not miss Bronte's famous rock swimming pool at the south end. Here we are heading towards Bondi. Along the trail, there are lots of cafes, restaurants, toilets and shower, pools and parks. It is 2.5 kilometer track. It will take you about 1 hour, but I recommend you to spend at least 3 hours. The walk is fairly easy to do, memorable and a lifetime experience. Here, you will have many amazing viewpoints. If you are lucky enough, you can sometimes see dolphins and whales. If you want to enjoy the full package of this place, make a plan for Aussie brekkie, barbecue, swimming, sand walk, photography, and many more. The view of the Pacific Ocean and the huge sandstone cliffs are breathtaking. Bondi Beach is the most famous and easily accessible beach in Sydney. It has everything a beach needs. Public transport is also a good option with frequent trains and buses. There you can find a surf life-saving club as well. By the way, I am Kibal. If you are watching this video, you might want to pop in any comments and feedback you have. Please do comment, share and subscribe. See you until next video. Thank you.